Hello, kids. Mr. Ag here. For Monday, September 28th writing, you'll have some time to do some creative writing on your own. By now, you've probably got a story or something you're working on, or maybe even several things you're working on in your as writing projects. But I want to review the ways to start a sentence. You know, sometimes when you're writing, you get into habits or patterns where you start every single sentence the same way, and that can get a little bit boring for both the writer and the reader. So I wanted you to review 6 different ways to start a sentence. It's a video on YouTube when you watch it, and I want to challenge you in your writing today, whatever you're choosing to write, whether it's a story or just a diary entry, things that you're feeling, etc. I want you to try to use each of the 6 ways to start your sentences, or to start a sentence in your writing. So it's just a reminder that, you know, good writers mix things up in their writing. Every single sentence doesn't sound the same or start the same. There are lots and lots of different ways to get your ideas across, and this is one way to make sure that you're kind of mixing it up in your writing. So watch the video, 6 ways to start a sentence, and then in your own writing, be creative, have fun, and try to use one of the 6 ways in as you go through your sentence writing. Try a different ways out of those 6 ways to start a sentence. Enjoy your writing time today and have fun. And I'm excited to hear you share your writing in tomorrow's author circle. Tomorrow's author circle, I'll be specifically asking for people's examples of the 6 ways that they started these sentences. So I'm not going to ask you to share all 6. I'll go through one way at a time. Who started a sentence this way? And can you read it for us? You know, these kinds of things. So we get a chance to see your authentic work in action here. And it's going to be really fun to share. Okay? Good luck, have fun, be creative, and relax. Find a good quiet place to write, turn some music on if you like, and really enjoy yourself during your writing time. All right, good luck.